Hi there, Luca here with another MyUniverso in a nutshell. As the name entails, MyUniverso is constantly expanding with the addition of new features to support your systems and your business. And with MyUniverso 2.0, we bring even more advanced monitoring of sites, control, and dynamic music distribution integration. Let's get to it, shall we? We begin with the dashboard page, where we can easily access an overview of our site status, receive suggestions, and monitor the trend of site events. These three widgets provide us with the necessary information at a glance. To go into more detail, let's click on Sites. For each of our sites, we have a site card. From this view, you can already detect if one of the sites needs maintenance, high or low priority, or if it's all okay. Clicking on a site card takes us to the detailed page of that site, where you can find additional information including rack grouping and headroom history. In the Events tab, you'll find all the events for that specific site, while the Devices tab lists all associated devices. The Docs tab is a space to add notes, images, and resources, and external links regarding the site. Through the card menu, you can perform various actions to manage your project effectively. Among them, DMD controls allow you to remotely edit and manage dynamic music distribution systems. You can turn the system on and off, edit and mute the gain of the zone, and select its source. Here you will find a list of all available sources, and you can adjust their gain levels. From this tab, you can recall, rename, override, or delete scenes. Now, let's move to the Devices page. Here we can find the list of all our amps with their details. By clicking on this amp, a visual representation of the signal path is shown. Through the three dots menu on the speaker, you can adjust the gain or mute the way of the speaker, and use Change Preset to remotely switch the speaker preset. This button mutes or unmutes the entire speaker. The Option tab contains a selection of Harmonia Plus settings that can be viewed and modified. The last page is the Events page. Here you can view all active and past events in an aggregated view of all your sites. Well, this concludes this episode of In a Nutshell for MyUniverso 2.0. Before signing off, I'd like to remind you about the ever-expanding nature of the Powersoft Cloud. With version 1, we gave you monitoring. V2 brought you control and DMD integration. Stay tuned for the next updates, and if you want to learn more, check out the resources available here. Till next time!